everybody, what's up? It's Kiki, live down at Drink Wine Bar for a really great event tonight, Ultra. I have the promoter, I have some other peeps of his, as well as some lovely young ladies, styled by Mermaid Designs. This lovely lady here, Nadia, as well as this gentleman did the hair for them, Victor Martinez. I'm really horrible with names. And don't fuck me up because I'm looking fucking grimy. I just didn't put on makeup today, so deal with it. Right, I love you all. So we have a great crowd in the back. If Jen does her zoomy thing, I don't do the camera thing. I'm gonna move out of the way. So, hey, I'm really proud. 2 fucking nights in a row in 1 week that y'all came out to events and you're supporting. So thumbs up. I hope I continue it. That y'all continue it. I'm not drunk. Ha! So let's go. Angelo, this guy here, young guy on the scene. So I have a question for you. You know, what made you put on this event tonight?
Well, I've been in love with dance music for since a long time now, right? And I always wanted to get into doing events. So actually this is my first event, actually trying to do a rave event. So I really came up with the event called Ultra from Miami. I know you all know Ultra Festival in Miami, right? Right? So this is supposed to be like a local, you know, kind of mimic of Ultra in Miami, you know, that I'm trying to do. So it's going to be like an ongoing thing that I'm trying to really set in motion here. So this is actually the launch, right, as you can see in the back here, of Ultra, right?
Great. And my next question to you is, you know, I've asked a lot of the artists, I've asked some promoters, old and new, what are your views on the EDM scene in Trinidad? Do you think it's dying? Because a lot of people told me it's dying, but you're proving me wrong.
Yeah. I think honestly it has a lot of potential. You just have to know how to go about, you know, catching the crowd. You have to catch the crowd. That's the main thing. You have to do things to get the crowd. Like, you know, try to do like remixes. Don't just do like strictly one genre. Try to mix all the genres, right, of EDM. Because this is like electronic dance music, not just like trance and, you know, vocal and all this thing. We have to try and mix everything, you know, and try to get everything. I
like how that sounds.
You know?
I love how that sounds.
Yeah.
And I really love your ladies over here.
Yeah.
See, look, do the jet thing and show the ladies. So these lovely young ladies are a really nice addition. And I want to say, for certain people that I had to fuck up in last vlogs, these are what you call, you know, go-go type people. I'm not saying nothing, but I'll go back this way. See, look nice ladies. And they dance too like that. So anyway, I'll go back over here. I'll be here for the rest of the vlog. So guys, you know what? I am here for the past, I'll be honest. For my friend Rashida, you're gonna watch this, and this is the only reason I'm not staying at this event whole night. So far the event sounds really nice. A little hiccup a while ago with electrical difficulties, but we're back up and running. The event is going smoothly, and from the looks of it, I think it's going to be the bomb. If you're not down here, well, you're missing out. Yeah. Exactly, right? Everybody here, your ladies just came. I mean, everybody having fun?
Of course, yeah. Of course, yeah.
We're going to turn over to Nadia for a second.
Hi, I'm Nadia from Mermaid Designs, and I just want to say that if you want to look hot at a rave, this is the way to do it. Come and get something really nice from Mermaid Designs. Get something customized. If you're a little more daring, a little more brave.
Okay.
Maybe you can even try some areola art. So, Mermaid Designs, wearable areola art, lots of other lovely stuff, lots of corsets, tutus, leg warmers, shoes, wings. We have you covered.
You hear it yourself. Maybe one day I'll be in one of those.
Yeah.
I might do it.
Yeah.
I might do it. We should have a vote on that. So we're going to turn over to Angelo now, and he has this gentleman that he'd like to, you know, introduce, and one of his sponsors of the event, one of the many sponsors. So go over, you know.
All right. Well, this is Victor Martinez. He's the head behind Galleon in Trinidad, Nano Caratina. Right? He did the lovely girls' hair. He styled them. He's known as also in Trinidad and Tobago, the celebrity hairstylist of Trinidad and Tobago. Right? Also styled Miss World, right? Miss Leanne Forbes. Also we have Hamza. He did the makeup for the girls, right? Hamza Muhammad.
Should have come early and get some free thing, boy.
It was really touch up.
Rashida, this for you, Dread. It's all for fucking you, bitch. I love you.
So the event is, as you can see, a success as my first event, and I'll try to do something again pretty soon. Right? Thanks a lot.
Alright guys, so you heard it yourself. I really hope that you guys are taking to heart what we're doing here. I'm really pushing myself to make sure and do a live blog at every electronic event. Tonight was also Electrofest, and I do apologize to the promoters, but unfortunately I cannot be in 3 different places at the same time. So much love to you out there, and keep doing what you're doing. Deuces. Thank you everybody.